Hello everybody, my new word for this challenge is texpectation. Now what on earth is that? Let me give you a definition. It's that anxious anticipation that we feel when we're waiting to hear back from someone for a long time. Let me give you an example. I sent him a message about 2 hours ago, and I've been living in texpectation ever since. Meaning, I've sent him a message 2 hours ago, I still haven't received a reply, and I'm waiting to hear back from him. Texpectation.